Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Today we are talking about something really cool that can help you tidy up your home. A floating shelf with a hidden drawers. It looks like a simple shelf, but it has a secret. What is it? Imagine a shelf that seems to float on your wall with no visible brackets. It looks super neat and modern, but the special part about this shelf is that it has a secret doors built right into it. You can't even tell it's there unless you know where to look. Why is it great? This shelf is amazing for two main reasons. First, it gives you sleek storage because its floors its look very clean and does not take up much visual space. You can put your favorite book, photos or decorations on top just like a regular shelves. Second, it offers hidden storage. That secret drawers is perfect for all those small things you want to keep out of sight. Things about remote and controls, keys, important papers, or even valuable jewelry. It keeps your space looking tidy and helps you hide clutters. How does it work? It's actually pretty clever. The drawers is built right into the shelf itself. Often you will find a small, almost invisible tab and a gentle push mechanism to put it. It blends it so well that most people would never guess there's a drawers inside. It's a great way to keep your valuables safe and out of sight. Where can you use it? You can use them shelves in so many places, in this the living room for remotes or small games, in the bedrooms as a minimalist nightstand for your phone or reading glasses, in the entryways for keys, wallets, or mails, in a home office to hide pens, notepad, or charging cables, even in the bathrooms for discreet storage of small toilets. They are super versatile and add a touch of modern styles to any room. Easy to install. Most floating shelves with hidden drawers are designed to be easy to install. They usually come with all the hardware you need and clear instructions. You just need a few basic tools like a drill and levels to you, and you can have it up on your wall in no time. It's a simple project that makes a big difference. The benefit, so it sum it up, a floating shelves with a hidden drawers gives you clean modern looks, extra storage, a secret spots for valuables, less clutters. It's a smart solution for anyone looking to add both styles and functions to their home. If you are looking for a clever way to organize and declutter, definitely check out our floating shelves with our hidden drawers. You will love its sleek design and secret storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.